Hey everyone, this is Michael Trithart, International Technology Instructor. I want to let you know about a class that we have coming to Fair Texas Title McKinney on August 16th from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. This is a lunch and learn. And what we're going to be doing is discover your Facebook goldmine. There's a lot of powerful things that you can do from a real estate point of view on Facebook that are not even really about just posting on your personal page or doing Facebook ads. We're going to show you a lot of the powerful things within messaging, within groups, that'll help you to generate tons of business. The records for this class, I had one agent get 63 listings in 1 hour. I had another one in Austin, Texas, get an $8.5 million buyer in about 30 minutes. So these are techniques that we are going to do right there in the class that you can do after the session that's going to power up your business for the foreseeable future. You don't want to miss out on this one. Cost on this is $30. You're going to get 3 hours of TREC CE credit, and lunch is provided as well. So RSVP below, and we'll see you on August 16th at Fair Texas Title McKinney.